Today, we'll be talking about Wallis formula. Now, this would be the full formula for this. But let's get straight first to the example. Example number 1, the integral of sine raised to the power of 3 of x multiplied by cosine raised to the power of 8 of x dx with the upper limit of pi over 2 and the lower limit of 0. If you see an upper limit of pi over 2 and the lower limit of 0, and the integrand here is sine or cosine, you can use Wallis formula. In this case, m here would be 3, n would be 8 according to this formula. Now, based on this, it would be m minus 1. It would be 3 minus 1 up until it reaches 2 or 1. And so, 3 minus 1 would be 2. And so, it would be just the same because it reached 2. And now, multiply this by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 3 until it reaches 2 or 1. So, it would be 8 minus 1 multiplied by 8 minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 5 multiplied by 8 minus 7. Because 8 minus 7 would be 1, we will be stopping there. Divide this by m plus n multiplied by m plus n minus 2 up until it reaches 2 or 1. So it would be m plus n would be 3 plus 8 multiplied by 3 plus 8 minus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 8 minus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 8. Wait, let us simplify this. Three plus 8 would be 11. 11 minus 2 would be 9. 9 minus 2 would be 7. Minus this by 2, it would be 5, 3, up until it is 1. So basically, the arithmetic sequence for this is you will add m plus n and just constantly like taking 2 away. So it would be 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. Same as true with this 2, m minus 1 multiplied by m minus 3 because you are taking the difference of 2. Same as this because it is n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 3 multiplied by n minus 5 and so on until it reaches 2 or 1. And so, the answer for this, it would be 3 minus 1 would be 2 multiplied by 8 minus 1 would be 7, 8 minus 3 would be 5, 8 minus 5 would be 3, and 8 minus 7 would be 1. Divided by 11 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5, 3, and 1. And according to this formula, you will divide this by this symbol. If m and n are even, you will use pi over 2. If either m or n will be odd, multiply this by 1. Since 3 is odd, use 1. I know that 8 is even, but according to this condition, if there is an odd here, it would be multiplied by 1. And so it would be multiplied by 1 only. We can simplify this by cancelling each other out. 1 and 1 will cancel. 3, 5, and 7. And so the answer for this integral would be 2 over 1 multiplied by 9 would be 99. So this would be the answer for this definite integral of sine raised to the power of 3 of x cosine raised to the power of 8x dx. Number 2, example, sine raised to the power of 10 of x. And so, m here would be 10. And so it would be m minus 1 would be 9, multiplied by m minus 3 would be 7, 7 minus 2 would be 5, 3, up until it reaches 1 or 2. Divide this by m plus n, but since there is no m, it would be simply m, which is 10 minus 2, it would be 8, minus 2 again, it would be 6, 4, 2. And multiply this by either pi over 2 or 1. But since 10 here is an even number, we will use pi over 2. So it would be multiplied by pi over 2. Let us simplify this. Wait. Let us simplify. 5 divided by 10, it would be, this would be 2. And I think that's it for the simplification. And so you can use simply a calculator here. So the final answer here would be 63 pi over 512. This would be the answer for this definite integral.